Hello everyone. We are excited to share our recent collaboration with the Atal Incubation Center, Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Berry Avionics supplied advanced education drones and provided comprehensive training to both students and teachers. They started by understanding the components and building their own drones from the ground up. Next, they learned how to program the drones, configuring them to perform specific tasks with precision. Finally, students got the opportunity to practice flying the drones, mastering control and navigation techniques. The training was a tremendous success, and we extend a special thanks to the incredible team at AIC RNTU for their collaboration. Berry Avionics, unmanned, unbound, unparalleled.